Dear BrainPop, I need to know as much information as you have about light, particles, waves, reflections, refractions, and all that other stuff. Thanks, Nasli. Little bright, Moby. That spotlight is what you'd call an artificial light source. Artificial light is made when matter gives off energy in the form of light rays. This can happen in two ways. By heating something up until it produces light, like the wick of a candle, or running an electric current through a solid, like a light bulb filament, or a gas, like neon. There are also some natural sources of light. The sun comes to mind. Some animals can even produce light through chemical reactions. Light sources can emit a whole spectrum of radiation, only some of which you can see. When visible light hits objects, most of it bounces off. Your eyes catch this reflected light, and that's how you see. Light acts like a wave sometimes, but other times it can act like a particle. It's sort of its own thing. Sometimes it's helpful to think of it as waves, as vibrating electromagnetic fields. Other times, it's useful to think of light as discrete packets of energy called photons. Light can travel through empty space. The light that we see from stars has to travel thousands of years before it reaches us. And light travels fast. Well, it's so fast, it can travel 300 million meters in 1 second. Light likes to travel in a straight line through space, but when it hits an object, it changes direction. Hold up a mirror, and the light bounces your reflection right back at you. When light travels from one transparent material to another, it bends or refracts. The bending happens because light travels through different materials at different speeds. Light can travel a lot quicker moving through air than it can through glass. You can see this effect with a plain old glass of water and a straw. And that's how a prism works, by refracting different wavelengths of light at different angles. Lightning is an electrical effect that releases huge amounts of energy as light. You're such a baby. A heavy baby. Ugh. Get off.